Today I'm going to be reviewing the BAUER 24-inch fence and miter gauge from Harbor Freight. I purchased the product with my own money. This is not a sponsored review. I'll be comparing this product to my stock miter fence, which came with my Delta table saw. I unboxed the product and assembled it according to the instructions that came with the product. The first thing I noticed about the product is that it really didn't slide that easily. So I applied a little wax to the two bars that slide along the fence. At this point, I checked the positive stop and it seemed to work nicely. There was a lot of play in the miter bar in the table slot, which I adjusted the best I could. Comparing it to my stock miter gauge, it was cheaply made and very thin material. Even the adjustment knobs seemed to be made out of cheap material that wouldn't lock down properly. There was a lot of play in the adjustment knobs. The miter fence was not plumb to the table, and I couldn't really find a way to adjust it. Later, I discovered that the adjustment knobs were made out of cheap material, and it fell apart while I was trying to use it. This product was very cheaply made, and I would not recommend anyone buying this. My original equipment miter gauge was much better quality. Hey, thanks for watching.